I want to talk to you about citation and referencing, especially new ESL students. You've researched and found some really great stuff on the web, and now you want to use it in your essay. Sounds pretty good, because when you find that right piece of information to support your statements, you're feeling great. Now that you have found it, and want to use it, there's something I should tell you. You could get into a lot of trouble for using information from a source, and not sharing where it came from. When you don't share where the information came from, it's called plagiarism. Plagiarism means not sharing information, and not giving credit to the source. It's actually classed as stealing someone else's words or ideas, when trying to pass it off as your own work. So, there's the conundrum. What should you do, if you want to include someone else's information in your essay? Is it okay to use others' words and ideas? Of course, it's okay to use information from other sources in your essay, as long as you cite their work. In fact, it's what your tutors expect you to do. Citations are usually found at the end of assignments, and include information about the original source. We include things like the name of the author, the title, and the date the information was created. Citations have a special format. There are rules that you need to follow, and the most common formats are APA and MLA. It looks a bit strange, but the good news is that you don't need to work out where to place the information into this special format. You can use a free citation reference generator website, such as MyBib, to help make your citations quick, easy, and accurate. MyBib helps create citations on many different kinds of sources, such as article reference generation and website generation, which is great for citation and referencing for beginners. In summarizing, plagiarism is when you take someone else's information and try to pass it off as your own. It's okay to use information from other sources in your essays, but to prevent plagiarism, add citation and referencing, written in that special format. Think about citing before you start writing. To learn more about citation and referencing for beginners, visit AWS Student Academy at eslacademicwritingskills.com.